In Ribeira Brava, Funchal, you'll find TAUTO, an automotive workshop that goes beyond screwdrivers and oil changes. It's a center of automotive expertise where vehicles receive meticulous care and repairs.
TAUTO stands out not only for its strategic location but also for its commitment to providing quality service without unnecessary frills. This workshop understands that in the field of car maintenance, practicality and proficiency reign supreme.
Upon entering TAUTO, you're greeted by a team of skilled mechanics armed with knowledge and a straightforward approach. They're not here to impress with jargon but to deal with the essential details in repairing your vehicle. It's this straightforward attitude that sets TAUTO apart in the competitive world of automotive workshops.
A notable aspect of TAUTO is its versatility. Whether your car needs a routine check, a complex repair, or just a quick diagnosis, TAUTO has it all under control. The technicians here take pride in their ability to handle a variety of issues, making it a comprehensive solution for car owners in Ribeira Brava.
In an era of rapid technological advancement in the automotive industry, TAUTO keeps pace. Equipped with state-of-the-art diagnostic tools, the workshop ensures that no modern car mystery remains unsolved. From engine malfunctions to electronic failures, TAUTO tackles everything with precision.
Customer satisfaction is the driving force at TAUTO. The workshop understands that car problems can be stressful, which is why they aim to provide not only efficient service but also a hassle-free experience for their customers. Transparent communication and fair pricing are key pillars of their customer-centric approach.
TAUTO is not just about fixing what's broken, it's also about preventive care. Regular maintenance is emphasized here, with the understanding that a well-maintained car is less likely to leave you stranded on the roadside. The TAUTO team works proactively to keep your vehicle in impeccable condition, saving you time and money in the long run.
As a locally rooted business in the community, TAUTO understands the value of trust. The workshop has built a solid reputation over the years, with satisfied customers attesting to its reliability. In a world where trust is often hard to find, TAUTO has become a beacon of reliability for car owners in Ribeira Brava.
Certainly, TAUTO is more than just an automotive workshop, it's a trusted partner in the car ownership journey. With its skilled team, TAUTO has solidified its position as a preferred destination for automotive care in Ribeira Brava.